Wondering why you should volunteer? Look no further. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow aiming to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Today, we have a very special video for you all. We got the chance to speak with a volunteer about their experience with OneConnect supporting learners with digital skills and confidence. They'll be sharing what inspired them to volunteer and the moments and the skills they've gained or improved on that have really made an impact. Let's have a look.
My name is Raymond Ward. I am the ICT tutor for OneConnect.
And how long have you been volunteering with OneConnect?
Since the pandemic. So that'll be like 2019 or 2020.
Oh, right.
During that time.
Oh, wow. And what made you want to volunteer with OneConnect?
Well, my background is in ICT. I got a computer engineering degree in the 1990s. And when I left my job teaching people how to read, write, and articulate their thoughts, OneConnect seemed to be a good fit because it was working with silver surfers who didn't know the internet. In other words, instead of it being just how you say about literacy, now it's digital literacy.
And during your time here with OneConnect, could you describe a moment where a volunteer had a light bulb moment, an idea for a topic or a piece of content?
There's been quite a few in the past few years that's come through. It's hard to place my finger on one single event, basically, but there's been quite a few people come through with some very good ICT ideas. Right now, I just couldn't really put my finger on one single one, but there's been quite a few good ideas coming through.
Need help developing your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our staff for more personalised support. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Link is in the description below. And what do you enjoy most about working with volunteers?
Working with volunteers, light bulb moment when they know when that moment, because a lot of the volunteers, they're fresh out of college and university, so they don't have the wealth of experience. So it's when they get that moment, say, oh, is it that simple? Yes.
Now, have you learned any new skills or improved any skills during your time here?
Skills I learned was when I first started was everybody was doing that online teaching. Yeah. And that's what I did when we first started during the pandemic. Everything was online. So what I did was I delivered a class online to a lot of people who had iPads and a whole bunch of laptops, basically. So we ran the class I think it was every Monday or something.
What advice would you give to someone who is unsure about volunteering with OneConnect?
One thing I could tell you, if you ain't got any experience, OneConnect can give you that experience that you're looking for. Because even in the job centers, they're looking at volunteering as a way to progress into employment. So if you volunteer with OneConnect, you're guaranteed to get the experience you need to put on paper that a potential employer might want to take you on.
And is there anything you want people lastly to know about OneConnect if they decide to volunteer with us?
One thing about OneConnect, everything is about, if you got ICT skills, we can put them to use, and you can also learn from other things like Serge. He has a wealth of experience in web development and online, so you can learn a lot from Serge if you was to come on and become a volunteer for OneConnect.
A huge thank you to Ray for taking the time out of his day to share his experience with OneConnect. And remember, volunteering with OneConnect is a chance to make a big difference in someone's life by helping them feel confident using technology. You don't need to be an expert. just someone who is willing to support and encourage others. If you're looking to give back in a meaningful way, this could be a great place for you to start. Get in touch with our staff for more personalised support. Check our website out in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like coding basics, social media marketing, and more with our free and paid online courses. Our digital products are both informative and educational ebooks, website templates, designing elements, books, and more. Link is in the description below. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Like and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and in-depth tutorials, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload from One Connect. Thanks for watching.